Are you feeling lost, weary, or unsure of what's next? What if I told you there's a shepherd who provides, guides, and restores your soul? Psalm 23 verses 1 to 3 reveals a life-changing truth. Let's dive in. This scripture is a powerful passage that speaks of God's guidance, provision, and restoration for His people. Verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. God is our shepherd, meaning He watches over us, protects us, and provides for our needs. I shall not want means He ensures we lack nothing essential for our spiritual and physical well-being. Verse 2. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. Green pastures symbolize abundance, peace, and nourishment. Still waters represent God's peace and refreshment, bringing calmness to our souls. Verse 3. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. God heals and refreshes our weary hearts. He guides us in righteous living, ensuring we walk in alignment with His will. This passage reassures believers that God is a caring shepherd who provides, leads, and restores. No matter what challenges we face, we can trust in His guidance and perfect care. Are you searching for peace, provision, and restoration? Psalm 23 verses 1 to 3 reminds us that the Lord is my shepherd. He leads, provides, and restores our souls. No matter what you're facing, God is guiding you to still waters and refreshing your soul.